Grains ended on a more hopeful note on Friday while cattle pulled back. Ag Day's Michelle Rook looks ahead to Monday in markets now.
Well, grains all to the plus side on Friday. Don Rose with U.S. Commodities is joining us with analysis. And Don, let's talk about what pushed the rally. Was this all technical, or is this market trying to put weather premium in?
Well, I think it's a combination. I think we have to remember that July 14th, we had a key reversal on corn. So that kind of signals an intermediate low, major low. And then we started to build on that through the week. And as we hit the end of the week, more concern about what's going to happen with the weather. Could we have a weather pattern change? And, we often can this time of year, but, we've got a big crop in the oven right now. Could something change it? And I think that was the fear. Funds are sitting big shorts. So they were short covering across the board, Michelle.
Is there a perception that at least the crop is not getting bigger?
I think that's part of it. I think the other side of it is, the crop, the trade is anticipating a big crop, funds sitting pretty short. Producer at these price levels, when you take the basis off, particularly new crop, Michelle, producer just is not interested in selling. They remember too much last year when corn in March, corn went in February to that 521 and a half area. So I think it's just some of that along with the insurance. But bottom line, funds pressing it, farmers not really selling it, hoping we get some kind of a better relief rally.
So we got up into some resistance areas on the charts, especially in corn and soybeans. So to advance the rally starting this week, do we have to have weather stay hot and dry, or what's the combination to make that go?
Well, I think you're right. We got close to these gap chart targets, if you will. 10, 44 and a quarter on November beans, got within a penny. Same thing on the December corn. We went up to that 432 and three quarters was the gap. We got close to that too on some technical objectives. But I think your question squarely going forward, I think you probably have to prove that the crop is threatened or getting smaller rather than bigger. So we'll look at the crop ratings, Monday afternoon, and then I think going forward we'll see if the weather pattern did change.
Okay, something to watch. Thanks so much. Don Rose, U.S. Commodities. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.